Which one is the TikTok? Non-alcoholic drink. Juice. It's not even juice. I'm having croissant and au chocolat for breakfast. My coffee is on its way now. There is that. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. I just wanted to come here and say hi and introduce this vlog because it's a new vlog. So as I was saying, welcome to my new vlog. Today is the 2nd of January. We are currently going to the beach. My man is just running a bit of errands. And then we'll go to the beach and yeah, we'll spend some time at the resort and then be back tomorrow going somewhere else. So just thought, let me just start the vlog today. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're a regular, thank you so much for your support, and just subscribe and just watch and just like the videos, guys. Please just like the videos. Please don't leave the videos without subscribing, I beg of you. Please, s'il vous plaît. Still in Ivory Coast, still on holiday. So yeah, just here to introduce this vlog. Yeah, I'm just helping my man out to run some errands. Okay, I'm just being here. I'm just being a passenger princess before we go. Yeah. Anyway. See y'all. Oh guys, like I want to live like this every day of my life without stress. Oh, when I come back to South Africa, it's gonna be back to stress. But anyway, Kesana, let's just enjoy our time here. See you later. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Say hi guys. Hi guys. Say with your mouth.
Say what? I guess you can say
So you don't get this in South Town. You don't get this in South Town way. This is the way you can get alcohol anyway.
Anywhere else?
Yep.
Get it anyway.
For the very far now. Oh no. Okay guys, we are finally at the resort, so we're just gonna change and go to the beach, have something to eat and have some drinks, and then yeah. Hey, happy 2026. Ooh, it's so hot. Please bring it down. Fish, shrimp, chips.
Whatever seafood there.
Yeah. You can add it if it's edible. Add a drink. What drink are you gonna take? Maybe just go. You must know what I feel like. Let's go. Going back. Come. At Ibiza Beach Resort, as you can see, they are building more rooms for their customers because obviously they're getting more money and they're trying to improve the place. Yeah, no. And this is the beach on the other side. I couldn't swim because some of the water is very much aggressive. So these are the vibes, you guys. As you can see there, the water is very much aggressive. So yeah, I think you'll see on the previous snaps how the water is. So yeah, so I'm just chilling here. Gonna have some lunch and cocktail and just chill. Hey guys, today is the 3rd of January. We are leaving the place, the beach resort. Well, we're leaving early because it's not up to standard, man. The rooms are not up to standard. My man started feeling sick. It's just not right. So yeah, we are leaving so that he can get some meds and rest properly at home. The room, if I would rate the room, the equivalent money that we paid for the room, it would be like 2k, 2 point something k in South African rands, whereas here it's like 60,000 CF. And it's just not up to standard, man. There was even a wasp thing in the bathroom. We didn't take a shower. We decided we'll just take a shower when we get home. But yeah. Yeah, we are leaving now. It is 8 o'clock. Just gonna ask my man if we can get some coffee on the way. The service was very slow. Yesterday we had to wait for like 3 hours to get our food. Like, they don't have certain things, they're out of stock on certain things. It's just a mess. And they're saying that they were very busy the previous day. That's why they don't have certain things. And it's so weird because when we were waiting for the food, my man literally had to stand up and go ask when is the food coming in order for them to actually say, we don't have this and this and this. So, service-wise, I will rate it a 1. Room, 0, guys, I think you would actually pay 300 rands if you're in South Africa for that. They just need to upgrade the place properly. Anyway, yeah, we are going back home now. Hopefully, my man will feel better later on so that we can do our next trip. Angas. So let's just get home now so that we can let him drink some meds, rest a bit, and then when we wake up we shower and see what's gonna happen. But yeah, I was just here touching base with you. Yeah, but I had a good swim at the pool. In the pool, not at the beach. I couldn't swim at the beach because it was quite aggressive, and I just didn't like how the sand is just, I don't know how to explain this. But yeah, anyway guys, let me see you later on today. Hopefully we'll be able to go, and hopefully my man feels better. So yeah, toodles.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys pretty faces so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib talk will come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pants size, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shroom to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
Hey guys, my vacation time is finally over. I guess I'm currently at the airport, finished checking in, and I'm early as usual. So yeah. I'm very sad, very much sad because I'm going back to work. I'm not mentally prepared for that yet. Definitely not mentally prepared for that yet, but can we move? I think I'm also PMSing because why did I feel like crying? And anyway, yesterday we decided to go to my boyfriend's friends and we ended up sleeping at around home. We're not drinking. I only had like one cocktail. So we ended up sleeping around 2, and I had to wake up 5 o'clock. I didn't set my alarm. He said his, and the alarm said I can't get ring, but luckily he was awake. 5:30, so he woke me up. Anyway, okay guys, this is the end of the summer. No, it's not the end. It's not the end. So it is not the end. It is just the beginning. Beginning of the end. I am super sleepy and yeah. And you know guys, like I don't recommend this airline that I'm using. I told my boyfriend, but don't you ever, because tell me why this was over up at Cote d'Ivoire, Lome, wait 3 hours Lome to go to, wait 3 hours Lome for Mandy layover 3 hours actually. The Kinshasa layover 45 minutes. And then to Joburg. So if we get excited, I'll get there in the morning, and my flight is at 6 to PE. So I'll be there go 12, unless of course there are any delays like the previous time. Then I think if we put delays, I'll be safe that way. But if I put delays and end up being there early, and that's but anyway guys, yeah, just letting you guys know how my trip is going, because I let you guys know how I left. Obviously it's gonna be sad for holidays because what the hell, but anyway, I guess until next time we'll live for this. And yeah, apparently let's charge your phone there, so I decided let me just touch base with you. I feel like I'm talking too much. So yeah, I'm not trying to as an until layer up because the coolest thing and ngiyathetha lo bakuthi accent yabona abantu bakuzini lokho babamanye amazwe ngifuna ukukhomisha abantu bakamanye amazwe abaphila ngakhandla phezulu. Yeah guys, anyway, let me see you when I board. I'm super early and boring, like the board nje yeah, yonke le nto yenza ngapha. And understand kwabule this will spend 3 hours in Lome. Doesn't make sense, but anyway, let me see you when I get to Lome.
Yes, I'll be
Hey guys, I'm at the Lome Togo airport, and I had like a layover of 3 hours. So I've been here for the past hour. My boarding time is in an hour's time, so yeah, I've been just sitting here, and now I'm just sitting here charging my phone as well because I needed to charge. Just touching base with you. Yeah, I think I should just go get some water. I should just go get some water, Sana, for the road, and maybe a snacking for the road, you know, something to nibble on, because I think I might need that. Anyway, yeah, just touching base with you. I'll see you. I think I'll just see you when I get to Joburg, because I won't get out of the plane when I get to Kinshasa. So yeah, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I get to Joburg. Until now.
Les masses à oxygène tomberont automatiquement devant vous. Tirez sur masse pour libérer l'oxygène. Placez-le sur le nez et la bouche.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can always say what's on your mind. Are you on your way? I warm up your plate when you arrive. In your coat, take off shoes, hot water, and cover you. Don't have to, but I love to do. Bartender, I pour a drink, a movie on, entertain. I'm down to do the little things. Just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud. It's time to make up for the bad.
It is 4 a.m. in the morning. Everything just opened. Chicken just opened. I've been here since 12, Kisan. And the thing is, I did not book a hotel this time because I mean, what if we could delay or stuff like that? Man, we didn't think much of it. Yeah, so I've been here. And when I go up at the airport, it's always the case, Kishan. So yeah, just sitting here by Wimpy just to grab something to eat. Yeah, and yeah, that's all. That's all. It's 4 a.m. My flight is only at 6:15, and yeah, because sana. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to touch base with you that I'm finally in South Africa. I'll probably upload this vlog, I don't know when. I'm going back to work tomorrow, so when I get back home, I will definitely sleep. I won't have time to vlog. I'll get home, I'll take a shower, and I will definitely sleep the whole day and the whole night. That's unpaid. But yeah, I'm just happy to be home. I'm just happy to be home, besides the inconvenience of spending 6 hours at the airport. I was thinking like to change a flight, to take a flight that's later so that I can get a hotel and then let's say go live one day and then go live by. But I was like, you know what, there's absolutely no need. So okay. I feel like on this trip I did get a bit of inconveniences. I mean, they're all not a train smash, but I mean, obviously moving forward, you know exactly what to do by your marketing. But yeah, it's my first time anyway with the phone that I couldn't get a job. So yeah, let me just have some breakfast and just wait. 4 o'clock, just wait till 5:45 boarding time, so I have to wait till then. But anyway, if I don't talk to you later on today, I'll probably talk to you tomorrow, but that's if I have time, because tomorrow I'm back on the grind. So yeah, I'll see y'all guys in Zanibona, my Zanibona girls and boys. I think I'm also getting sick because I ended up opening my small bag to get some socks, so it made me feel a bit better. I do feel like I'm about to lose my voice, but I just need rest, man. Honestly, like I just need rest because I don't really feel good thing. Like I got cut out because my space is not spacing. Anyway, I'm so so yeah, I'll just touch up with you. Hopefully I'll be able to touch base with you when I get to PE. But for now, yeah, toodles from me. See y'all when I see y'all.